Who's your crush? Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Potion Ty, and we back at it with another video and another banger. And I thought, it's about time we bring in something new to the channel, man. You feel me? You want to drop these videos, yeah, man. We just bringing out like fire content, bro. So you already know we going crazy, man. I got my boy SSH here, and you already know if it ain't good, then it's nice. Then it's nice indeed, my boy.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Boys, you already know. So, man, as you saw by the title, wait, first of all, go and subscribe to my newest channel right here, man. Go and do the most. Like, my boy is being grinding, you feel me? SSH gang, man. I was about to say SSH made Roman, but that's his Insta handle. So you feel. So go ahead and subscribe to the boys channel. Support, man, and the Q&A, man. It's a Q&A mukbang type of thing. We got like McDonald's, McD's, you feel me? We don't order like, McDonald's like we crazy. We keep it like chill, like, come on, man. You don't eat McDonald's to get full. It's like a snack, bro. Like, it's like a snack. And another thing, like, the boys gymming, so you need to keep it like
you need to balance it out.
You burn a lot of fats. Like, if you're gymming natural, guys, you burn a lot of fats. You burn a lot of fats, but you replace those fats, you feel me, with like more food, you feel me, more food. And then if you're using protein shakes, obviously you don't need to eat that much, you feel me. So I'm not trying to slim, I'm trying to gain, you feel me. So yes, that type of thing. But anyway, we about to pull up in a Q&A, bro. My boy right here is just looking for the questions. So I'm probably gonna cut this part out, bro.
This is gonna be like a get to know me type.
Yeah, yeah, you feel me? Cause like all y'all see is whenever I'm dropping tutorials, I don't even show my face. Like, maybe I'll show it like once a month in a video, or once in every 10 videos or something like that. But yeah, this is like a type of get to know me type of thing.
He's be going hard though.
McDonald's, you feel. So yeah, the first question is, tell me something about you. So we're gonna go one like that.
Something like, I don't know, bro. Like, this is my bro. Obviously, like, you kind of know everything about me. So
nice. No cap, man. No cap.
Daddy doesn't know about me, but I can't think of anything, but like, he legit knows everything about me.
Tell me something like crazy, some shit like you never told me before, like some crazy shit.
I can't think of, like, I legit tell this nigga everything. He my bro. But
you feel me? We just like that, man. We just tight, man. No homo, guys. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Like, get that out of your mouth, man. What the hell is wrong with you, bro?
your homo here, no cap.
Bro, nah. Get out of here, bro.
Like, legit.
But anyway, man.
We legit tell each other our shit.
Alright.
We like that.
You feel. Bitch, your turn, bro.
Let me see. Who's your favorite celebrity? Male and female.
6.5 hours later.
I'm not even about that life. Hell. That's a difficult one, bro. Champagne Poppy, bro. Male. Got Drake. Drake is the bro.
Drake is a legend.
Drake. I've been supporting Drake since I was in grade 6, bro.
Since what
like
is it? YMCMB?
yeah, YMCMB, Young Money, Cash Money, Billionaires. I've been supporting Drake, man. I've always been a Drake fan. That's why me personally, I prefer the old Drake, because I feel like the old Drake had something to prove. You know, he was on those bars. Like now, man, he doesn't have anything to prove. Like he's just on top of his game. You feel me? He doesn't have to prove anything. So I like when he wanted it. You feel me? When he was hungry for it. Now he's just, you know,
to see slides. Like
you feel
that song fire, but no way you can dance like Michael Jackson.
man. Michael Jackson he's a legend, bro.
That's all.
But
That right there.
my favorite female celebrity.
My nigga used to think like long enough for it, bro.
I don't think I have one, bro. I don't think I have one. Nah, I don't have a favorite celebrity. Although in my head, like Kim Kardashian keeps popping up, but like I'm not even about that, you know. I don't feel like in that way, but yeah, I mean Kim Kardashian, bro.
I think she had sponsors and shit like that.
Nah, bro, you can't be
Kardashian,
saying that on my channel, bro.
But she was in that entertainment though.
Nah, she shot at 60.
I bet. My favorite is Fredo famous. You can see
Fredo's hot, bro.
Yeah, Fredo.
Yeah.
Pretty boy Fredo famous. So that's like my favorite. Male, famous person. Female.
Kennedy.
You see?
Kennedy.
You already know.
Kennedy.
I like how Kennedy is, bro. Like she's a really strong woman.
I know this man's
The
man.
personality is just amazing, bro.
I know my boy.
Yeah, but on to the next question.
My turn. Nah. Who's your crush? Spill the beans, bro. Who's your crush?
She don't know me though. She don't know me, so what's the use of telling you about? I'm gonna just tell you, cause for the sake of telling you about. There's this TikTok girl, right? I think her name is what's her name on TikTok? I forgot. What her IG name is like Scrunches or some shit like that. Bro, that girl really fire.
If you guys don't know already, like before you watch this video,
Go check out
the Smash or Pass. You'll see like he actually had her in the
Bro.
Smash or Pass, bro.
That girl, she dark skin, bro. She looked like she got a dope personality. I'm assuming that because I got a crush on her. So, that's my crush. Who's your crush?
Yo.
Let's hear it, bro. Your thought.
Nah, dog. No.
HBK, nah, nigga.
Nah,
We
bro.
go skip that question.
Nah, bro. Nah.
We go
Nah,
skip that
bro.
question.
Nah.
That question for later.
Nah, not for later. I'm not answering that question, bro.
HBK, boy.
He's HBK,
We
not
about
me,
that
bro.
HBK live. Like, I feel like I'm an HBK, bro.
Nah, bro. We don't ask me such questions.
HBK live. But yeah, we go skip that question. Moving on to the next question, we got who's your favorite musician or artist? Cause you already know my boy Potion type making music, so we gotta hear who's his like favorite artist.
Yo. Hold up.
McDonald's be going crazy, yo, but
My favorite musician.
this is too small though.
My favorite musician is my father. It's like now I'm just playing. Bryson Tiller, bro. I've always been a fan of Bryson, bro. Like the complexity of his music, bro. Like Bryson Tiller is an amazing artist, bro. Like his music, it's got that like that sample, you know, that 70s, 80s, 60s R&B vibe. You feel me? That's like every time I listen to his music, I'm inspired.
He has that like unique touch with his music.
Yeah, but if you're curious as to South African artists, MFR Souls, man. MFR Souls, man. I've always.
Let me tell you something, bro. Like the first time I met this dude right here, like the first thing that he made me listen to is MFR Souls. Legit fell in love with those guys.
Bro, MFR Souls all the way, bro.
Legit, bro. Like,
all the way, bro. Although, like, I know y'all gonna bash me in the comments. Kabza is small. He's hot. I mean,
Kabza's been in the game.
no homo. He's like, his music is hot. His music is
He's
hot. His music is hot. That came out wrong, bro.
No cap.
His music is hot, but like, yeah, you feel me? But I've always been an MFR person, man. Like, if you check my laptop, bro, I think I got like 200 and something MFR Soul songs, including the mixtapes, the musical experience. So, man, MFR, man. If you guys watch this video, come on,
been
bro.
supporting, bro. Like since
Come on, man.
okay, I've been supporting since 2015.
Bro,
Since 2015.
I've been supporting since 45, bro. Since Force Reloaded and my Aero, like they weren't, you know, like you feel me? They were still like, you know, yeah, they were like sharing 45 and stuff. Yo, I've been, but yeah, MFR Souls International, Bryson Tiller, bro. Always.
For sure. This question finna be hard, I think. But do you think money is like the real source of happiness, or you create your happiness?
Personally,
It's a hard one.
bro, I feel like I'm not gonna say money. Okay, well, if I say that, then I'm not answering the question. But like, money is not like all source of happiness. But like, if you have money, you can get the things like that make you happy. Like, you know, if you don't have money, I feel like you're always like stressed. You know, you're struggling. Like, guys, like, come on, man. Can we stop that all of that nonsense of money doesn't make you happy? No, that's a lie. That's a lie. Money makes you happy.
Part of your happiness.
Yeah, bro. If you imagine, okay, imagine if you had like no cash, bro, like no cash at all. How you gonna buy your clothes like to make yourself feel good? You know, if you dress good or you smell good, you feel good. You feel me?
Yeah.
If you like, you need money to take care of yourself. You feel me? To be happy. To be happy.
You can't just pull up to a car dealer like I want that car.
You know how you know there's a car, you know, you have that car or that house that makes you happy. You know what I'm saying? So like, I mean, money makes you happy, guys. Facts. And I feel like my boy is gonna tell you the same thing. Like, I'm not even gonna ask him because he's gonna tell you the same thing. Facts. Alright, bet. So moving on to the last question. Hold up. Last question is
I've always wanted to know this, even though like I don't know. But what's the meaning behind your channel name?
Pushing Time. That was a mashup, bro. Pushing Time.
Crazy thing is, we remember, like we was in English when we both created our channels at the same time.
Yeah.
We was in English.
Yeah.
10th grade. History was made. History was made.
10th grade.
What's the meaning behind your channel?
I don't know, bro. I feel like my music personally, well, when I do production, I got that voodoo shit. If you're in South Africa, umthakathi. Oh no, not umthakathi. What's it called? Potion. But potions are normally associated like with
Fagas
voodoo.
Korobele in his music.
Aye. Bro.
That's why you like his music.
But I feel like it was something kind of along those lines. I don't even remember why I named myself. But I wanted to keep the tie in there to resemble the first two letters of my name, you feel me? So, yeah, I mean, that was it, though. How did you come about your channel name? What does it mean?
SSH means Service Squad Hooper. But I don't hoop, I don't play basketball, but kind of planning to play because it kind of looks like a fire sport, so I might just as well like try new things. But SSH gang, obviously gang, but the fam, the people that watch me, like, yo, y'all are my gang, bro. Like I wouldn't be able to buy this if it wasn't for y'all. You know, so the support.
Shout out to my boy Monetize, man. Shout out to my boy.
If it wasn't for y'all, like I wouldn't be able to buy this. So the gang, obviously, you guys are like my gang. Y'all are family. You're like the journey of everything about. Well, not like everything, but you don't know like my social life and stuff like that. So yeah, that's where the name comes from, bro. And also, Pretty Boy Fred, a huge inspiration in my life, bro. Like a nigga that just changed my life. I don't care. Like, they just changed my life. Even
Got
though
my
he
boy
doesn't
off
know.
the streets. Nah,
Just changed my life, but
nah, my bro wasn't on the streets in any case. So yeah, but yeah, guys, like I'm indulging in my food right now. I'm hungry, bro. I'm actually supposed to be studying for maths.
oh, we got to.
So
You go study after this, like you legit need to study.
Yeah.
You're gonna put in like 3 hours. Hopefully that's gonna be fine.
you feel me? But yeah, I mean, thank you guys for watching the video and everything. Like, we got a munch now, bro. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, drop comments, you know, anything you want, anything request, you know, put it in the comment section below and I'll try to attend to your comments, all of you feel me? So yeah, shout out to my boy for coming out here, man. Appreciate that. But yeah, man, this is your boy pushing Ty, Mr. If it ain't good, it's nice. Signing out. Peace, man.